Akifix presents the JY screw. The super screw for plasterboard created, designed and tested in Italy by Akifix. JY is the original screw for drywall, the first in the world for quality. Over the years, this product has been studied and optimized to achieve the perfection that marks it. And today, it is certainly the most performing product that can be found on the market. Our screws have the recognizable and unique JY marking on the head. The brand is known throughout Europe and is synonymous with the highest quality, reliability, and above-average performance. The marking on the head means that during the installation of the plasterboard, it is possible to recognize the screw used. Behind a simple box of JY screws, there is a lot of work. Its production process requires 22 different stages, and each of these is strictly controlled down to the smallest detail. Akifix is one of the few companies in Italy to have the CE/EN 14566 certification on the entire range of plasterboard screws, and this is joined by the ISO 9001 company certificate, which guarantees and certifies every production process, from the choice of the raw materials to the after-sales technical assistance. Akifix has created an internal CSI certified laboratory where parts of the control dictated by ISO 9001 and other tests are carried out, which constantly ensure the very high quality level that has always distinguished the JY product. The H-series screw line is also subjected to the same controls as the JY, thus maintaining very high quality standards. Tear resistance not less than 104 kilograms. Spray test resistance of at least 48 hours. Average drilling time of 0.4 seconds places the H range on the podium of the best drywall screws on the market, clearly behind the JY. The 10 plus of our JY screws. Resistance to tear. The test is performed as a tensile test with a calibrated and certified machine. The screw is forcibly extracted from a 610 metal sheet. The minimum value tolerated by our quality center is 104 kilograms. This means that each of our screws is able to support more than a ton of weight by itself. Salt spray test. To certify the quality of phosphating, an extreme situation of humidity, salt and heat is reproduced by means of a special salt spray machine, which attacks metal and forces the onset of rust. The result of this test in internal screws is usually measured in 24 or 48 hours. The JY screws have a minimum standard of 48 hours, which, in addition to guaranteeing in normal conditions a minimum duration of 10 years, implies that they are able to withstand a non-continuous humid environment, such as, for example, the laying of the plaster without having the onset of rust. Drilling test. To ensure maximum drilling speed, the screw's drilling time on 610 thick metal sheet is measured with a special machine. Each lot is randomly tested and completely rejected if it does not guarantee the following strict Akifix standards: a guarantee of maximum quality. Average drilling time less than 0.375 seconds. Maximum tolerated time for a single screw is 0.5 seconds, with a maximum of 1% per batch, 10 screws per box of 1000 pieces. If even a single screw exceeds the time of 0.6 seconds, the batch is entirely rejected. Product guaranteed for 10 years by Akifix. Impact packaging. Technical characteristics clearly visible and declared on each package. Product traceability thanks to the unmistakable marking on the screw head of the registered trademark JY. One insert present in each box. Excellent relationship quality price. Outstanding quality. JY, a successful brand for over 20 years.